I'm always nervous going in, but I know it's always like fine when I get in there.
Has Julie gone out? Has she just gone out?
A while ago. Well, yeah.
You never thought taking the clothes now?
Do you want me to run out and get them?
No, it's alright. How can you run out with your shoes off and everything?
I'll put them on.
I'll get them. Who's
It's
going
been
round
raining
here
on
anyway?
enough.
Who's going round here anyway?
Me, Asha and Grania first. She said she wanted us to go early.
What time do you just want?
I don't know. And then it's like Jessica, Heather, Amy and Sarah anyway.
Oh,
Hello.
they came back. Sean, they came back from Jackie's. Who wants pizza?
No, Jennifer.
Are they sweet?
That's yours.
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 It's yours.
Come on, take it.
Dog.
It's yours.
You don't like him then?
You're going to take him.
She doesn't like him, we better bring him back.
I think
Mine doesn't weigh on you. Do you not
that's
like him?
actually happy
Do you not like him?
tears.
It's yours. Where do you think we were have to be driving down the country to get him?
You scared him.
It's yours.
You haven't got a name for him yet.
What kind of dog is it?
It's
A white
cross
dog.
between hold her right, look at her, she's falling off.
He.
It's a boy. It's a cross between
It's only 8 weeks old.
a Shih Tzu and a
not-
Yorkshire Terrier.
That's not what it says on the thing.
What is it?
It says it on the yoke.
That dog.
It's just a dog. Like.
That doggy.
Yeah.
Oh jeez, don't make this a prank. Whose is it?
It's yours.
Oh, you're messing with me.
We're not messing. It's
It's
yours.
your dog. Don't forget the Wicklow this morning.
We drove all the way to Wicklow and we nearly died when you were saying it yesterday, looking on the computer here. You were get her a tissue.
You don't.
The poor dog doesn't know what's going on.
You haven't got a name for it yet.
Your dog is lovely.
I know, is he? Is it a boy or a girl?
Good boy.
Boy.
Despite what Mum might say. We tried to convince her to get 2.
They wanted us to take 2 and we said, no way.
Look, I'm looking at you.
Ah, look, he's looking at you. Ah,
8 weeks old.
See, that dog is very nice.
Does anyone know? Like they
no,
No.
we had to keep it total surprise.
And you can name him.
Yeah, what do you want to call him? Do you like him? Do you? He's shaved. And give him a cuddle, Jack and Jenny. Look at his little legs hanging off your back here. Put him up in your lap properly.
He could have wet on you now, so we,
No, he wets her.
What's the leg? You don't need to be the vet's bills yet. Broken legs or anything.
Yeah.
No, that's perfect.
You're serious.
So, you have to christen him.
Hello. Hello. This is your
What?
new home.
What do you want to name him?
This is your new home.
If this is some kind of sick joke,
It's
maybe-
not a
Dog is
sick joke.
happy.
the dog is happy.
It's your new dog.
What?
Try for.
I didn't think you'd ever get me when I've been asking it every day for the last 5 years. Like, it's,
There you go.
there's nothing I want more or something.
Well, there you have it.
Is that what you do when you're happy? Isn't it? You cry when you're happy like that, Sean?
Well,
He
they're
grows-
only
he grows twice
tears
that size,
of
I'd say.
joy.
Oh, they're only tears of joy, Sean
So
said.
it happens when you're really happy.
That's Sean's 50
He
cents.
is really
What
happy.
did you say once again?
Where's the
It's written on the paperwork.
They're the